Okay, Brian, here's a quick and dirty little video of how to program one of the LED cards for handybots or other tools using one of these little FTDI programmers. It's a little different than the one you have, but basically the same idea of the header that we're going to plug in. So start off by just plugging this thing into your computer. My impression is that anything from about Windows 8 on will automatically have a driver and install this, or give you the option to install it. If not, you have to look up the driver and download it. I'll put the links in a document for this. The key to this is using the file for it in the UDP project, our favorite um, Dropbox repository, and you go to Accessories, Arduino, and then the new folder you'll find is Production LED Loader. And you double click on that, and then go to the Handybot LED, and double click on the led.ini file, which is the Arduino sketch that starts up the Arduino interface software, and loads in our file. And you can see that here. We've already played with it, so you have a pretty good idea how it works. If you haven't set it up yet, or if whoever's using this hasn't set it up, you use Tools. You go to the board selection here for Arduino Pro Mini, and we're using the 5-volt one. And it should, if your device plugged right, populate with a couple serial ports, and just use there should be a default one selected. So you can check it out with this guy, the check mark, and it'll tell you whether everything is there, supposedly. But we found that other little problem. And now when you're ready to program, just get the connector here. Let me get the connector, plug it in, make sure that the red positive power goes to the VCC. Little light LED will come on the board. You'll see a couple other little blips as it checks in. Then you just click the upload button. It processes it. You can see it installing it from here, and when it's finished, it's ready to go. Just disconnect it cleanly so you don't risk changing things with a bunch of chatter. And I think you should be all set.